Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to provide you with an informative tutorial on using Python's pandas library for working with date ranges and business days. Let's start with an overview of the date_range function and then delve into handling business days. The date_range function in the pandas library is a powerful tool for creating date ranges. It generates a sequence of dates at regular intervals, which can be particularly useful for time series data. Here is a basic example of using date_range. Now, let's look at how to work with business days using date_range. The frequency parameter can be set to b, which stands for business day frequency. In this example, the resulting date range will only include weekdays, Monday to Friday, while excluding weekends. You can also create a custom business day frequency using the pd.offsets module. For example, to create a date range with every Tuesday and Thursday, you can use the custom business day offset. This will result in a date range that only includes Tuesdays and Thursdays. If your business days include holidays, you can use the holiday class from the pd.series.holiday module to account for them. Define your holidays and pass them as an argument when creating a date range. This example considers US holidays when generating the date range. Python pandas date_range function provides flexible options for generating date ranges, including business days. By understanding the frequency parameter and incorporating custom business day offsets or holiday calendars, you can tailor your date ranges to meet specific business requirements. I hope this tutorial helps you effectively use pandas for working with date ranges and business days. ChatGPT. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the date_range function in the pandas library to generate business days date ranges. Pandas is a powerful library for data manipulation and analysis in Python, and it provides a convenient way to work with dates using the date_range function. Make sure you have pandas installed. If not, you can install it using. Before we begin, let's import pandas into our Python script or Jupyter notebook. The date_range function is used to generate sequences of dates. We can use it to create business days date ranges by specifying the frequency parameter. The frequency parameter determines the frequency of the date range, and for business days, we use b. Here is a basic example. In this example, start_date and end_date define the range, and frequency equals b specifies business days. The result will be a data time index containing all the business days between the specified start and end dates. If you want to exclude holidays from the business days date range, you can use the holidays parameter. You need to provide a list of dates representing holidays. In this example, the generated business days date range will exclude the specified holidays. The date_range function in pandas is a versatile tool for generating date sequences, and by using the frequency parameter, you can easily create business days date ranges. Additionally, the holidays parameter allows you to exclude specific dates, such as holidays, from the generated ranges. This tutorial provides a basic understanding of using date_range for business days in pandas. Explore the pandas documentation for more advanced features and customization options. ChatGPT.